Forget frustrating layouts. Design clear, user-friendly interfaces with Next Hub's UI UX expertise. Our team doesn't just make things look pretty, we make them work flawlessly. We create user journeys that are easy to understand and guide users towards your goals. Go beyond the first click. We partner closely with you to understand your audience and vision. Our designs are tailored specifically to your needs, ensuring a perfect fit for your brand. Keep them engaged. Great UI UX design keeps users coming back for more. We translate your brand personality into intuitive interfaces that are a pleasure to interact with. Stand out from the crowd. In a world of complex interfaces, clarity makes a statement. We build trust and loyalty by creating experiences that are effortless and enjoyable. Ready to wow your users? Next Hubz can help. Let's design interfaces that delight users and achieve your business goals. Contact us today for a free consultation.